Today I want to speak about the most valuable investment you can ever do, and that is yourself. If you don't learn how to monetize yourself and to value your things, your uniqueness, your skills, whatever it is, if you're a painter, if you're a musician, if you're good in selling things, if you're good in helping people doing whatever they want to, it's fine. But don't forget to get paid for the work that you put in. I always make the experience that a lot of people struggle to monetize themselves for their tasks, especially when it is about something that means a lot to them and that actually has a lot of value for them. For example, if you meet a painter, like this beautiful painting in the back, it takes hours and hours of work. So why would you give it away for free or for just a little amount of money? I want you to understand what are your unique gifts and to trust in yourself and to go out there and charge for it. Because if you put a lot of effort and if you put a lot of love into something, then you deserve to be paid for it. Monetization of your own skills is necessary. It's nothing you should ever feel ashamed of, or something that you should feel uncomfortable to actually ask for. I made this YouTube channel to help 1 million people to get closer to their financial goals. But why should I not get paid for it? So, whatever your skill is, I want you to identify what is your uniqueness, what is your skill, and what makes you unique, what makes your skill so special, and then to think about a price that is fair to you. If you struggle to do that and you're like, I don't know how to actually find the price or how to define the value of my work, here is a tip that you can use. Ask yourself, how much is your time worth per hour? And then go to your skill and get clear about, okay, how much do I need to be paid per hour for doing this task? And then you get your price. And don't be too shy and don't make yourself too small, because I tell you, whatever investment you do, there is no investment that can ever make you any money, any close to what you can make with yourself. The worth of yourself is not valuable in money. The worth of your skills is not valuable in money. So if you trust in yourself and if you manage to step out there, be yourself, present your skills, and offer other people a benefit through this, that they can enrich their life in whatever form it is, depending on your skills, then you have the biggest tool you can ever have to earn money. I know it takes a lot of courage and I know it can be very scary, especially when it's things we care about. Like, I'm sitting here in front of the camera talking about these things and everybody in the world can see it, which is not always easy and comfortable for me, but we have to step out there and do what we want to do to get closer to our goals. And I have my mission. And if I don't do these things, I will not get closer to the goal of my mission. So you have to know your mission. And then you have to get out there and talk to the people and show your product, show your painting, show your music, show your skills as a consultant, whatever it is. And present it to the people and ask the price that is fair for it. And if someone tells you he's not ready to pay for it, it's not because your price is too high. It is because you haven't found the right person that sees the value in your skill that you see and that you deserve. So that just means that you have to continue, talk to other people, continue being out there, and then you will find the people that see the value in you, in your skill, in your work, and that will pay you the amount of money that is really fair towards the skill level that you offer. And it is important that you build this relationship with yourself and also a relationship with money that is healthy. Money is your friend. It's just a tool. It's not gonna fulfill your life. It's not gonna bring you full satisfaction, but it helps you to get steps towards your fulfillment of your life. Money is not a bad thing. Money is not a good thing. Money is neutral. It depends what energy you put towards it, and this will decide if money for you is good or if it is bad. And to work on yourself and the skills to get better at whatever you have to offer, then the money that will come back through this is going to be a gift. But you have to be ready to receive it. If you're just pushing it away, or if you feel uncomfortable to receive money for your skills and your talents and your offerings, this money cannot fulfill you and it's not going to stay with you. But if you are ready to step up to the next level and to go and do the things that matter to you and to allow yourself to monetize your skills, yourself, then you will get to the point that money can actually help you on your way to satisfaction and help you on your way to feel better about it. Because there is nothing in this world that is as worthy as your uniqueness and your skills and your gifts and all the things that you can offer to this world. So please build the trust, get out there and show this to the people and offer the people your services, because if you don't go out there and if you don't tell anyone about the gifts that you have to offer, nobody can buy your product. Please bring the trust, please trust in yourself, and please work on yourself to get better in whatever you have to offer. And then go out there, tell it to the people what you have to offer and charge the right price for it that you actually deserve. I always meet a lot of people that have an idea but they never really get started, and then they get stuck on the idea and they're like, I'm not good enough, I need to gather more skills, I'm not ready for this. And then sometimes I hear what they're doing and I'm like, you are a master of your craft. How can you not monetize yourself? How can you not charge someone to pay for this unique gift that nobody else can deliver in the same format? So whatever it is, learn to present it, to be strong, to go out there, to show it, and learn to ask the price that you deserve. So please make sure that this video gets out there, because I have to reach my 1 million people to fulfill my mission. And I hope that you know your mission, and I hope that this helps you to get a bit closer, to find the strength within yourself, to go out there and to monetize yourself, because you are unique, you are amazing, and there's no one else who can offer what you have to offer. So believe in yourself, go out there and do it, because we want to see it. And if you don't show it to anyone, we cannot see it.